Alright, check this out, the Phanteks NV9. This thing isn't just a PC case. It's practically a display case for your components. First thing you'll notice is the glass. It's almost seamless, giving you this crystal clear view inside. Seriously, it's like your parts are floating in there. And the layout? Totally unique. The motherboard sits right in the center, surrounded by fan positions. We're talking up to 11 140mm fans. So airflow? Not even a question. The front and side panels have this ultra-fine performance mesh, and the bottom intake is massive, with 65mm of clearance. That means tons of cool air rushing directly over your GPU, keeping it frosty even under heavy load. Speaking of the GPU, they've included this really smart support bracket. It prevents sag and keeps your card securely mounted to the motherboard. No more worrying about that expensive GPU drooping over time. Now let's talk cooling. This case is an absolute beast. You can fit up to three 420mm radiators plus a 280mm radiator. That's insane. It's like they designed this thing for liquid cooling enthusiasts. And installing those radiators and fans is a breeze thanks to the removable side and bottom fan brackets. You can even reverse the bottom bracket for angled or horizontal fan mounting. Talk about flexibility. But the NV9 isn't just about function. It's got style too. The integrated DRGB lighting around the motherboard is subtle, but really adds to the overall aesthetic. You can even create dual color effects with the dual channel output. And if you want to go all out, there are 4 additional outputs and dual SATA power for expansion. The lighting effects work great without any software. But if you want more control, you can use the included cable to sync it with third-party software. One of the things I really appreciate about the NV9 is the attention to detail. Phanteks really thought about the build process. The removable brackets make installation so much easier, and the cable management options are excellent. There's plenty of space behind the motherboard tray to hide all those pesky cables and keep things looking clean. Overall, the Phanteks NV9 is a premium case that offers exceptional airflow, impressive cooling capacity, and a stunning aesthetic. It's perfect for showcasing your high-end components and creating a truly unique build. If you're looking for a full tower case that's both functional and beautiful, the NV9 is definitely worth checking out. It's a bit on the pricier side, but you definitely get what you pay for. This case is built to last and will keep your components running cool and looking good for years to come. So, yeah, the Phanteks NV9. Definitely a contender for one of the best showcase PC cases out there.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.